If you're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and looking for something beyond the typical seafood buffet or burger spot, today I'm at 9 Spices Hot Pot and Barbecue, a restaurant that offers an interactive all-you-can-eat Chinese hot pot and barbecue grill experience. That's very different from traditional dining. This is not fast food. This is not pre-cooked plates. This is a hands-on experience where you control the flavors, the cooking, and the pace of your meal. What type of restaurant is 9 Spices? 9 Spices specializes in authentic Chinese hot pot combined with tabletop barbecue grilling, served buffet style. The concept is simple but powerful. You choose your dining option, you select your ingredients from a large buffet, and you cook everything fresh at your own table. This makes it ideal for car groups, families, celebrations, and anyone who enjoys customizing their food. Pricing breakdown. Let's talk prices first, because this is one of the biggest questions people have. Prices can change slightly based on time, day, or promotions, but here's what you can expect on average. Hot pot only, all you can eat. Around $28 to $29 per adult. Barbecue only, all you can eat. Around $30 to $31 per adult. Hot pot plus barbecue combo, most popular option. Around $33 to $35 per adult. Kids pricing. Children are usually hard discounted, often about half price, or depending on age. For an all-you-can-eat experience with high ingredient variety, this pricing is very competitive, especially compared to other specialty dining options in Myrtle Beach. Hot pot experience. How it works with hot pot. Each table is equipped with a built-in pot that heats continuously. You start by choosing your broth base, which can range from mild and savory to spicy and bold. Once the broth is ready, you head to the ingredient buffet, which includes thin sliced beef, pork, and chicken, dumplings and meatballs, seafood options, fresh vegetables and mushrooms, noodles, tofu, and specialty items. Sauce bar, where you build your own custom dipping sauces. You cook everything and directly in the broth, controlling how long each ingredient cooks, which means nothing is overdone unless you want it that way. Barbecue grill option, next level. If you choose the hot pot plus barbecue combo, your table also includes a built-in grill. This allows you to cook marinated beef, pork, chicken, and other BBQ meats. The meats cook quickly, right in front of you, giving you fresh flavor, caramelization, and full control over doneness. Pairing grilled meat with hot pot broth creates a very complete dining experience, especially for people who enjoy protein-heavy meals. Food quality and flavor. One thing that stands out at 9 Spices is ingredient freshness. Because you cook everything yourself, quality matters. And overall, the meats, vegetables, and seafood hold up very well. Flavors are bold but not overwhelming, customizable depending on your sauce and broth, authentic to traditional Chinese hot pot. This is the kind of meal where every visit can taste different, depending on how you build your bowl or grill your meat. The atmosphere is casual, lively, and social. It's not rushed, and you're encouraged to take your time. You'll see families, groups of friends, and people celebrating birthdays or special occasions. Staff members explain the process clearly, especially for first-timers, and they're quick to help with broth refills or questions. If you're not in the mood to dine in, 9 Spices also offers takeout and delivery options, allowing you to enjoy their flavors at home, though the full experience is definitely best enjoyed in person. 9 Spices Hot Pot and BBQ is one of the most unique dining experiences in Myrtle Beach. It's interactive, filling, flavorful, and offers strong value for the price. Great for groups. Customizable flavors, all-you-can-eat value, hot pot plus barbecue in one place. If you enjoy cooking your food fresh, experimenting with flavors, or just want something different from the usual Myrtle Beach dining scene, this place is absolutely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and check the description for more information about this amazing restaurant. See you later.